Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com, and today we are in Bozeman, Montana. Yesterday I gave you a peek at one of the Hilton properties here. Today I'm giving you a peek at the Residence Inn by Marriott here in Bozeman, and as you can see, these are kind of apartment style rooms. This is one with one king bed, but it also includes a kitchenette. As you can see, everything that you would need. These are great for family stays, especially if you plan on grocery shopping and making meals in, because they have everything you'll need. You can even do the dishes, so that is nice. Utensils, everything is included. You've got a stove, refrigerator. These really are just kind of little apartments and great for family stays. This one in Bozeman is also in a great area, very close to lots of shopping and grocery if you need it. You've got your little dinner table, kind of a living room, sitting area here with a desk. This sofa area, we really liked how large it is, and that also folds out into a bed, which is really nice. Got your television in the middle of the room, and then we opted for a king bed. You can also get these with queen beds, I think. I don't think they have many on property, but I think she said they have 6 rooms that have this set up with 2 queens, but I might be wrong on that. Anyway, here is the bathroom area. Lots of storage in these two, and again, great for families because they really are laid out a lot like an apartment, so you have lots of space for everything. And I think these are also a great option for extended stays because of just all of the room and space and little extra things. The bathroom area, lots of product. They provide shampoo, conditioner, and a body wash. And again, this area is kind of set up like apartment living, which I really like because there's a door that separates the bathroom, the tub, and the toilet area from the sink area, which makes it nice if you have multiple people. Again, we are at the Residence Inn by Marriott in Bozeman, Montana. One other thing I wanted to mention is that breakfast is included. However, during our stay, it was really scarce. So you might call ahead. I think it was a staffing issue, but we love free breakfast when we travel, and that was a little bit of a bummer. But otherwise, it was all good. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.